If your earbuds keep falling out, there are several strategies that can improve their fit before you result in purchasing new ones. Start by inserting them upside down with the cord looping over your ears, which can help secure them. Ensure a snug fit by gently stretching your earlobe while inserting the earbuds, and experiment with different silicone tips included with your earbuds, as one ear may require a different size. Consider using soft foam attachments for a customized fit and wearing ear warmers or sweatbands during activities. If you exercise frequently, opt for sports-specific earbuds with ear hooks or bands, and choose sweat-proof or waterproof options to prevent slippage due to moisture. For persistent issues, wireless earbuds can eliminate cord tangling, while those with smaller ear canals might benefit from earbuds designed specifically for smaller ears. Additionally, avoid using cotton swabs to clean your ears, as this can push earwax further in and affect fit.